What's up, besties? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's what? No shade. Shout out to VSHOW Hair for sending me this curly wig. It was bomb. It was beautiful. I'll put all the hair deets in the description below. Watch me slay this install. I did it the traditional bowl hold way with my lace tape and my active adhesive. I did about 3 to 4 layers. I didn't even try the wig on her first. I just knew it was gonna fit, and I just slapped that wig on. No shade. Once that lace is down, you want to make sure you blow dry with cold air before you tie it, because if your glue is still too wet, it will smudge if you tie it down too soon. Now I'm going in and pulling out my baby hairs and blending that lace in a little bit more. The smaller the brush, the easier it is to apply that makeup. You guys already know I like to curl my baby hairs, and then I use the mousse to lay them down and get them to look, you know, soft with this big curly hair.
Tell me like you're not even doing it right.
Bitch, you be over it. So that's why I said, every time I give you a ball, you ain't gonna have shit to flip over.
You
So at first I wanted to do like a big ball, half up, half down, and have some like wand curls hanging from the ball. But it ended up looking too not cute. It was not tea. It just I don't know what my vision was, but it wasn't executed. So I took out the ball and ended up just keeping it half up, half down, and it ended up being really cute, no shade. And that's pretty much it. This was a quick tutorial. Shout out to SBM Gang. We on the road to 10K subscribers. Keep liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. All the hair information will be in the description below. Bye y'all.